Hello students, this is Usha, your computer teacher. Previous session we discussed about hardware and software. In this session we are going to discuss about cipher safety, that is chapter 2 in your book. In this chapter we are going to discuss so many topics, so that I divided into two parts. In this session we are going to discuss about what is a computer virus, who creates a virus, types of computer viruses, how to prevent a virus. Now, what is a computer virus? You must heard about the term virus earlier. Many of you have even had an attack of viral fever, which may left you weak. Just like biological viruses attack our bodies, computer viruses attack computer system. A virus is a computer program that enters a computer system by attaching itself to another computer and spread itself across the system. That may causes data loss. What is a computer virus? Virus is a program. It alters the way a computer operates, that is change the operation of computers. Without the user permission, it enters the computer. The virus to take control of a computer system, it has infected when the first opportunity available. It makes copies itself and also carry out the harmful tasks written its program. This process can happen so quickly, user is not even aware of the presence of a virus till the unwanted thing happen in our system. Some viruses wiping out the entire hard disk content. Already I told no, it causes data loss. Next, who creates viruses? Viruses are activated in three basic ways. First one, opening an infected file, running an infected program, booting the computer with the infected disk drive. First, opening an infected file. When we open an infected file in our system, it started working. Next, running an infected program in our computer, it started working. Booting the computer with the infected disk drive. When we boot the system with the infected virus, the virus started working. Most common way, that is through email attachment. Through email attachment, it affects our system. Next, here we should know about two terms, that is trusted source and virus author. Who is trusted source? A trusted source is a company or person you believe will not send you a virus infected file knowingly. That is known person. Trusted source, that is that message or mail come from the known person. Virus author. Viruses in a computer are not generated accidentally, but are programmed intentionally by a programmer. That programmer known as a virus author. Those who return a virus program, that programmer called virus author. Those who return a virus program, that person called virus author. Next, we are going to discuss about types of computer viruses. Here we discuss about few computer viruses. The different types of computer viruses could be classified on the basis of origins, techniques, types of file they infect, where they hide, the kind of damage they cause, and type of operating system and platform they attached. These things, based on Based on these things, the computer virus could be classified. Here we discuss about few viruses, that is boot sector virus, program virus, stealth virus, multi-parted virus, macro virus, and other viruses. So many computer viruses we have. Here we discuss about these few viruses. First, boot sector virus. First one is boot sector virus. Boot sector virus also known as system virus. Boot sector virus also known as a system virus. This type of virus affect the boot sector of a hard disk. Boot sector of a hard disk. The computer attempts to execute the boot sector on the disk in drive. When we start the system, boot the system, it started harmful task in our system. Example, polyboot.b, anti-exe, so many are there. Next one, program virus. Program virus also known as file infector. Program virus also known as file infected. That is most infectious type of virus, program virus. It is also known as the file virus or file infector. This type of virus infects programs of executable files, right? Next, that program virus infects the executable files like .com and .exe extension file by attaching its copy to them. It attaching the virus program with the exe files, application or system files. It modifies the host program. Virus also run along with the host program. The virus program attach its files to the system program and run along with it. Virus files attach their own files with the system files and run along with it. That is program virus, otherwise we call file infector. Next one, stealth virus. Stealth virus attempts to hide its presence. We can't find out the location of a virus. Change the date and time. That stealth virus change our system date and time. It increase the file size. We are also experienced in this, right? Only we have 3 KB images in that file, but it shows that 50 KB or 500 KB in that. It increases the file size and show that one. Next one, multi-parted virus. Multi-parted virus can infect both the boot sector of a disk as well as the executable file. It do the job of boot sector virus as well as the program virus. It do the job of boot sector virus as well as the file infector. It is a very vast virus. Need lot of techniques to prevent it detection. We can't find out easily. Easily the location of a stealth virus. Another one, macro virus. Macro virus uses the macro languages of a application. Creators of macro viruses often hide them in a template. When we use the template in our system, it started damaging. When we use the system, it started damaging our system. The virus infects any document that uses the template. Next, viruses are activate the moment a computer accesses an infected file or runs an infected program. When the viruses are activated, no. When the moment computer accesses an infected file or runs an infected program, it activates. Other viruses that is, so many viruses are there. Trojan horse, sweeper, logic bombs, time bombs, Trojan horses, it seems to be a useful program, but they are having a malicious code inside. Sweeper look like antivirus program installed by Trojan horse, but it is basically they are having a malicious code. Like logic bombs, it detects a certain condition and it started working. Next one, time bomb activates on a particular date. Logic bombs, they are not considered as a virus. They are not having own design. Logic bombs, they are not having a own design program. Using other virus segment, they are running. Main focus is to destroy data on the computer. Once certain condition to be met, we can't detect the logic bombs. Once the condition met, it activated. Next, time bomb. Time bomb activates on a particular date. The viruses have preset time and date at which they are programmed, activate themselves and hold normal computing. Such viruses check the system date continuously, and when their time and date requirements are met, that time they can create a walk and performing harmful tasks listed in their own program. That is time bomb. Now, how to prevent a virus? That only one solution, that is install antivirus software. Scan our computer usually when the computer starts up, locates and removes any viruses that are found. Always scan our computer using antivirus software. Example, Norton antivirus, McAfee virus scan. That's a few example of antivirus software. Next, how to prevent a virus? Next point, update the antivirus software. Important that we keep our virus definition up to date. Never updating the virus will not protect your computer. You should be updated. Avoid taking and using software from unreliable sources. Don't download content from unreliable sources. On the internet. Next, don't open any strange looking files attached to an email. If the file received from known source, that is trusted source, you can open confidently. Don't open any files attached to an email from an unknown source. Scan everything that you download. Antivirus programs can be configured to automatically inspect every download file. That is antivirus work. Always, that is, inspect every download files. Backup your data regularly and store your backups at a separate place. That is for precaution purpose. Sometimes it happens. Our computer affected by virus, we lost our data. That backups mostly helpful those timings. Can recover your data with clean virus free copies. That is, backups we can recover our data with clean virus free copies. I hope all are understand this session. Remaining topics we will discuss in next part. Thank you. Have a nice day.